Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 31 Hampden Road here in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts.
Enjoy this incredibly private ranch sitting on just over an acre with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and over 3,000 square feet of living space. You've got to come check this one out.
Located in the most desirable area of East Longmeadow, this brick ranch is truly one of a kind and features single level living, tons of natural light, and possible in-law suite.
This property includes a fully updated bathroom, 3 generously sized bedrooms with wood floors, and plenty of storage for the whole family.
Open flow from the large living room with fireplace to the kitchen with breakfast bar, this property checks all the items off your list.
And of course, the star of the show, the large deck overlooking the grounds on over an acre. Enjoy barbecues with family or a quiet evening by yourself. You're not going to believe this property.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 31 Hampden Road here in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Notice that these came pre-folded, but...
I know, sorry about that. I'll make sure I do that next time.
Can you put more space in?
Yeah. No chewing gum.
I'm working on it. Open flow from the large...
Good? Was that good? Oh my god, no bloopers for me today.
Mic drop.
It's amazing. That's so good. Maybe I should have